In this video, we're going to learn how to block an object. So a block allows you to reuse a drawing over and over again without having to redraw it. So a good use of a block would be a title block. So you don't want to have to redraw a title block over and over again. You just want to be able to call it up and put it into your drawing. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start with a title block. We're going to block it so that we can use it over and over again in multiple drawings. So you're going to open up the title block Student A 2018 drawing. And once you have that opened, we're going to edit some of the text that won't change. There's a couple different ways you can edit the text. You can type DD edit and then select the text. So let me change the date because it's definitely not 2016. So we'll put 2022 in there and click off of the text, and then you're ready to select your next text. But let's say we're out of this. You can also double click on the text to edit it. So either way, if you want to, edit multiple things, DD edit is good. If you're just editing one thing, double clicking is good. So you can edit the company name, so put your university or your college or your business there, and change the date and change the drafter. You can leave the date because the date will change depending on when you do your particular drawings, but put your initials for your drafter, and those things will remain the same. Alright, so now we are going to block the title block. So let's go ahead and do that. Up here we have the block panel. So we're going to create a new block. So this command right here, create, we're going to click on that. And we have a block definition window that comes up. And we're going to name it. So let's name it Title Block A. And the reason that I name it Title Block A is because by default, without scaling it, this title block will fit a size A sheet of paper. All right, then we're going to select the base point. So the base point is how is it going to insert into the next drawing that we put it in. And we'll leave that as 0, 0, 0 because that will be the origin of the paper. We will select our objects. So we're going to select objects right here, click on that, and we're just going to select everything. So select all of the title block and then hit enter when you're done. And the window will come back. And we're going to select the retain radio button. And we're going to click annotative. And like I said in previous tutorials, you don't know what that is yet, but we will eventually learn about that. And we're going to allow for exploding. And the units will be inches. All right, so we'll go OK. All right, so now that is blocked. All right, we can insert this title block into this drawing multiple times using the insert block command. But we cannot, as of yet, insert it into other drawings. In order to do that, we need to write the block. So we're going to W block or right block our block. Alright, so we're going to write a block. And we're going to do the title block A. That's what we just created. Alright, and we're going to locate where we want to put it. So you're just going to click on these three dots and put it somewhere, on your flash drive, on your hard drive, wherever, you want to put it, wherever's convenient for you. All right, so I've found my location and I'm going to save it. Then select OK, make sure the units are inches, select OK. Now this block is on the hard drive or flash drive, wherever you put it, and can be used in multiple drawings. Alright, so this is for an inch drawing, like for size A, size B, size C. We're going to do the same thing for a metric sized drawing. So the next video will take a metric title block and do the same. And then we will see how we can take those blocks and insert them into a drawing.